G'day folks, Ben from Snows today with Tiegear's Axis Telescopic Pole. This guy packs up to just 84 centimeters in length, but extends out to 286 centimeters in length. That's a lot of pole for such a small pack size. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is Tiegear's Axis Pole here, made with aluminium. You've got rubber components and plastic components in here as well. Feels like a really durable pole. Now, not a cheap pole. I'm not going to say this is a cheap pole, but it's one of those things that you pick up and you go, I can see why that costs a little more than the rest. 84 centimeters in pack size. This is a 230 centimeter pole packed up here. So you get a lot of pole. That pole extends out longer than this one. So a lot of pole for a much smaller pack size. Having a look over the features of the pole, you've got a rubber foot here, which is actually, you can remove that if you like. So you could replace that if need be, but that's a nice grippy foot there. So it's not going to slide around. Then you've got the aluminium shaft here, and then these sections here are rubbery, and these are around a plastic locking mechanism. So if I undo this section is what releases this section above it, and that happens on each level there. So I loosen that, releases the section above it. Same with this one here. If I loosen it, another section on the top there, and then at the very top you've got an M8 spigot. This is actually screwed in the top here, so I don't know why you'd need to remove it, but that just screws in there nice and securely. So really well made pole. Now to extend this out, really easy. Loosen this, nice rubbery grip there. Extend this out up to the point that you'll see a max extend line there. So release it to there and tighten this up. We do that on each section, and we'll show you the full length and compare it to one of the other poles. Extend out the last section here. That's now at its full 286 centimeter length. So that's a lot of pole for 84 centimeters. If we compare it to a regular pole, now this is another good quality camping pole here. You see this is 230 centimeters, 286, so you get that extra length with the Tiegear pole. Flex is comparable. I would say arguably the Tiegear pole actually feels stiffer than this one here. It's only got two segments, and this moves a little bit where the join is, but these are still reliable poles. So a far more rigid pole for a very small pack length. Now it is wider, so this top section here does pack up, or is much thinner, but it needs to all concertina or all fold back inside itself. So by the time you get down to this section here, the pole is a much thicker diameter there, but that's 286 centimeters of pole for an 84 centimeter pack length. So if you've got a small vehicle, you haven't got roof racks, and you need to carry awning poles with you, this guy is going to fit in the back. And while you look at it and think, gee, it costs a lot more than some of the other poles, it's a really well-made pole, and it feels like it is worth the extra spend for the convenience and the build quality. That's Tiegear's Axis Pole. You can check it out online at snowies.com.au.